Can you count? Oh, did you eat all of them? Look at me. How much do you have in your mouth right now? How many grapes do you have in your mouth right now? Don't hit your head. How many grapes do you have in your mouth right now? Can you say your ABCs? Can you say your ABCs? Light.
2, 3.
You're counting the lights.
2.
2, 3, 2.
2, 5. 2, 3, 5. 5, 2, 3, 5. 5, 2, 3.
Are you all done? Or are you going to eat more peanut butter? Charlie, what's the problem? Look at Mom. Are you all done? Are you all done? Oh, that's nice.